Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating a focused drum project. Open Garageband and choose Empty Project or Drummer, then set tempo and time signature. Add a software instrument track and select a drum kit or drum machine designer. That determines sound mapping. Once done, enable the metronome and a 1-bar count-in so your timing stays locked. Now draw or record a short MIDI region to capture a basic pattern. This gives you a tangible starting loop to edit and expand. You'll spend most time in the piano roll and drummer editor. Open the region and draw kick, snare, hi-hat notes, then set lengths and velocities to shape feel. Use quantize lightly or add swing to avoid robotic timing. Alternatively, nudge notes and adjust velocity for humanized dynamics. Add fills by copying bars and editing notes, then layer samples or auxiliary percussion on another track for depth. Once you've built variations, duplicate and arrange patterns to form verses, choruses, and transitions. You'll finish by mixing and exporting. Balance individual drum faders, apply EQ to remove muddiness, compress for punch, and add reverb for space. Send all drum tracks to a drum bus for unified processing, then automate level rides to keep the groove dynamic. When ready, use Share Right Arrow Export Song to Disk and pick WAV/MP3, sample rate, and bit depth. If something goes wrong, check the output device and sample rate in Audio Preferences, verify MIDI channels, and restart Garageband. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.